Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Facebook tutorial video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can pin and unpin post on Facebook. So you can do this for your Facebook page and you can do this for your normal Facebook account, Facebook profile, that's your personal account. You can do this on there too as well. So you can do this on a mobile phone by using the real Facebook app. You can't do this using the Facebook Lite app. You can only do this on a mobile phone using the real Facebook app, whether you're on Android or you're on iOS. So you can do this on a PC too as well. On a PC it's very much simple, but the procedure is the same, so you just need to follow and you're going to get this done. So now let's get going with the tutorial. So I scroll down here to the post I want to pin. So let me scroll down to the post of mine that I want to pin. So this is mine. This is a YouTube video I posted and I shared it here. So I tap on the three dots. If you're on a PC, tap on the three dots as well, and you can see I've already pinned this post. So I can unpin it by tapping on the unpin, and it's been unpinned. You can see it will be removed from there, something like that. So if I want to pin it, I just scroll down to, okay, I think this is a post by myself, a video I just posted, and then I shared it on here too as well. So I tap on it like this and I pin it. Good. And it will take me here, and then the pinned post will be on top here. I just need to refresh the page and then I get it here. So let's scroll down and you can see, yeah, it's been pinned here. So when someone hops on the page, they're going to see this as featured before they see all other things I've shared on my page. So that's it on how you can pin and unpin posts on Facebook in 2025. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.